Cheers. Shut. Happy New Year.
Bilis.
Happy New Year. I'm gonna.
Order ni Faye is mashed potato with miso soup. Taste it, taste. This one is salad. Kind of spicy. Excited? Si Magiging. Later, makikita natin kung ano ang...
Yummy?
How is this, Daddy? Try this. And then, give us, Yan. Nahulog na, anak. What's the taste? Sour, soft, right?
That's okay.
That's right.
The spice is nice.
It's octopus.
It's fresh.
Fresh. So fresh. There you go. We have salmon with black sesame, and then we have rice there. Ate will taste it.
Oh no, wasabi. Oh, it. It's gonna be so spicy.
Oh, another mashed potato. And then miso soup.
The orders come so fast.
There, my favorite.
They don't want their customers to wait, so they make it fast.
Yes. How is it, Ate? Good. It's good. Here's our sashimi for today. Gaga si Faye, gaga.
We also ordered sashimi.
Our sashimi for today. Daddy, dig in.
This is one of my favorite.
Yeah. How is it?
Yummy.
Yummy. Go, Ate. You can do the chopstick thingy. There.
Yummy!
Dip into the soy sauce.
Yummy!
Wow. So good. Sashimi.
After this,
Wow.
my mouth can smell like fish.
It's okay. Healthy fish. Wow.
Little cook. Parang ginano nila. Tart. Different flavors.
Mommy, I think I ate wasabi.
Smoky.
Mommy, I just said I think I eat wasabi. I'm gonna pick the one
This one.
that's like stay How away is it, from Ate? wasabi. How is it?
A little cook.
Ano ba yan na? Mommy will take a photo. Cheers for 2025. Good health.
Yes. Another
Very
day.
nice presentation.
And steak.
Order. This is steak. Steak.
She love it so much. Hati. But the presentation of this is really
Amazing.
amazing. Yes. Kapun kap.
Your DIY sushi.
Your DIY.
How about me?
This one.
I don't want to make without it.
They have
DIY.
salmon, tuna. Ay, why mas the wasabi inilagay? And then they have this. And then octopus, shrimp,
How
and
are we gonna know how to make it?
Ate, ano yan? Anong DIY mo yan?
DIY.
Wala sa ingredients ng sushi yan.
How do you make it?
Mami, oh, yung isa, oh.
This is what you call yum.
Yeah. The wasabi. Next, this is it. Okay, try to do it.
I thought you have
How's your menu?
Daddy. Ayan, si Faye nagagawa na kanya sushi. Ba't pinilas-pilas mo na yan? Okay. Wow! Perfect!
And then,
And then?
sausaw.
Perfect! And then, what's next? This is the mayo, anak. We have salmon too.
no wasabi.
There's the wasabi.
Ay, bakit mo naman? Sige.
Yes, yan makakain.
That's fish egg.
Rain, this is my idea.
You already finished
Oh, make yours. Oh, they still have this. For this.
You already finished the salmon, man.
Ah, put it in the, surround.
Wrap it. Wrap.
Wrap it.
Ayan.
And then,
Yan.
Put one
Ganyan. And then which one?
here.
Careful, careful, my fault. And this.
What's that? Mashed potato again.
So little.
Done. Mommy, did you please? Done.
Done. May see your product. Wow. It looks really
I
a
will
salmon sushi.
put to mommy. I'll make for mommy.
No, may siya ibebnan niya eh.
Supposed to be inside.
Supposedly,
Supposed to be inside.
sorry.
This is daddy style.
It's my style. Oh, thank you.
Try.
Here. Now this is my time. This is mine. Mom.
That's your style. Your sushi. Very own sushi. There you go. Go eat it. Wow. And daddy style. Tuna.
Isa-isa.
Ano ba yan? Lagas na.
Lagat na. Sabi ng gamitin ng ano?
May
Spoon.
tuna and ano yan ah.
Adoy.
Aloy.
Good for kids. And for daddy kids.
Daddy kid.
Ay, talagang ayaw magpa...
Wow.
Mayo?
Mayo konti. At wasabi.
Wow, wag. And...
Oh.
Open your mouth. It's tuna.
Oh.
Open your mouth. Kanina. pinutom pa.
Ala.
Oh, and for
Milk,
milk, Hokkaido.
Strawberry.
strawberry, and...
What's that?
Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers, ate.
Cheers.
Cheers.
And taste. The best. Hokkaido.
Tastes like chocolate coins.
Marshmallow. Marshmallow with chocolate.
Ako umorder nun. Ako umorder ng dalawa.
Wala
Kasi
ka na.
meron na sa kanila. Naka-order na sila.
Wala na.
Katapusan, ako wala. Na nga.
Ayun.
Thank you.
Daddy. How is it? It's melting in your mouth, ano?
I can see you ordered 2 again.
Poleo. Pinakamadaming nakain si Alexis.
Look, mommy.
Oh, stretchy daw, I mean.
See.
Look.
Sige nga, stretchy nga.
Stretchy.
Wow! Stretchy nga. Look at your tummy nga.
Oh.
Tummy! Tummy! And mommy's tummy. And Pepe's tummy. So, how was it?
Good.
Very good.
Did I almost say everything on the menu? It's like I eat everything on the menu.
Shy. And we're
I
gonna
ate
have
every
double
ice cream
chin
in the
na.
menu.
What
Except
flavor?
The chocolate and Richie.
Yeah.
Oh, shy. Okay, so we had, our stomach had so much fun. And our mouth had so much fun. Especially ate. She ate a lot of marshmallows.
Me too.
And you too.
Very good. It's
A lot of marshmallows
Sashimi too.
and sashimi. And Daddy had a lot of salmon.
Yes.
So that's it for today. That's only 2,119 Mashay.
26.
2026 baht na. That was only like that. So,
What?
sulit na sulit yung kain namin. So cheap. Kind of, sabi nila expensive daw, pero so cheap daw, sabi ni Alexis, kasi hindi siya ang nagbayad. Okay, see you then. See you to our next adventure of eating and having fun. Bye! Happy New Year! Bye-bye 2024 and hello to 2025!